All right, let's determine the density of some water. This time what we're going to do is we're going to use the pipette that I illustrated in the previous video, and we're going to measure the volume using the pipette. So the volume will be 5.00 milliliters. To get the mass, I first start by taking a clean, dry beaker, and I measure its mass. So record that as the mass of your beaker. Then, using my pipette, I'm going to get 5 milliliters of water, and I'm going to carefully add it to the beaker. Now, normally I would recommend taking the beaker off the balance, but rather than have to reposition the camera, I'm just going to do this right here. I've got my pipette. I'm going to start draining the liquid. Notice the mass is going up as the liquid is added. Again, like I did in the pipette video, I'll touch the tip of the pipette to the inside of the beaker to get a little drop hanging off the end. But I'm not going to worry about the last little bit of liquid that's hanging at the bottom of the pipette. So I can record the mass of the beaker plus the liquid. A little subtraction will give me the mass of the liquid. Combining that with the volume, I can calculate the density. Let's try a second trial. Let me go ahead and get that set up. All right, trial 2 of the density of water. Once again, we start by measuring the mass of the empty beaker. I then use my pipette again to get 5 milliliters of water. So let me prepare that. And now I add the water to the beaker. Touch the inside of the beaker, get that droplet off. You can get the final mass of the beaker plus the water. So that should give you all the data you need to calculate the density of water twice and then calculate the average density of water.